Summer's favorite side dish is bursting with flavor and requires zero cooking, so it's a favorite. We're making tomato cucumber salad. I'll start by making the dressing. This is made with everything you have on hand, a little white vinegar and some oil. And some sugar, a little salt and pepper. Simple as that. I love the tangy kick in this type of salad, so I love that the ratio is more vinegar than oil as compared to like other vinaigrettes. Usually it's more oil than vinegar. I like for my cheeks to tingle a little bit. This recipe also calls for water. If you're looking to tame some of that tang, then you can add the water. I'm leaving it out because I like it like a pickle. Let's talk about the cucumbers. This time of year, these little pickling cucumbers straight out of the garden are my favorite. They are so crunchy that this is what I prefer to use. These are readily available and really cheap. I think you're gonna have a better flavor from these if you can find them straight out of the garden. You can peel or not peel your cucumbers. I'm going to follow the recipe a little bit and peel them halfway. I like the texture and I like the look with a little peel left on. Once those are peeled, just slice them up. Smells so good. And this is why I like these cucumbers. When it comes to the tomato, you can use whatever variety you want. Just choose the ones that are the brightest red and the ripest. Those are gonna have the sweetest flavor. After you wash them, just cut them into wedges. This recipe just calls to slice your onion in rings. That works great if you have a small to medium-sized onion. My onion is really big, so I'm just gonna do it kind of in slices. Then everything takes a dip in the bath. I recommend holding off on the water until you see how much juice comes out of these veggies. And then if you want to still add some, go ahead. As you toss this, the salt and sugar are gonna help draw out a lot of that moisture that's in these veggies. So you're gonna get that liquid anyway. This is one of those things that gets juicier and better with age. So the trick here is to let it marinate. It is called marinated salad. So this goes into the fridge for at least a couple hours. All those juices are gonna come out and marry with that dressing. It's gonna be good, y'all. Smells like summer. Take a look at all of this juice that has formed naturally in this bowl. I wish y'all could smell it. And don't throw that juice away when you're done. It could make a delicious Bloody Mary. You can add it to some salad dressings or sauces. Never waste a thing. Tomato cucumber salad is the perfect side dish to any rich barbecued meat. It's gonna cut through, offer just a great, delicious, fresh crunch. The perfect side dish. Yum. Oh, look at that perfect bite. My mouth is already watering. I wonder if there's a count for how many times I've said the simplest things are the best, because this right here is the perfect example of that. You've got to try this marinated tomato and cucumber salad at your next cookout or summer party. Happy summer. So fresh.